Hey beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Divana Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So today guys, I am here to do my monthly unbagging of my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And guys, this is my bag right here. Isn't this cute with the little popsicles on it? So guys, this bag is $28 a month. And you receive 5 full-size products inside. So I can't wait to show you what I got from my June 2022 bag. If you're new here and you enjoy video content including subscription unboxings and luxury hauls, this is the channel for you. Feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now guys, let's get into this bag. So guys, we got a little cute popsicle bag for the month of June that feels very summery to me. So let's start out with my first product, guys. So guys, the first product that I'm pulling out my bag, I have a makeup product. I got a Fenty Beauty product. Haven't had one in a while. So I have the Kilowatt. This is the highlighter, and this is in the color Mo Honey. Ooh. So let's pop this open and see what Mo Honey look like. And Mo Honey Fenty highlighter, this one is valued at $36. And again, this is a full size. And as you can see, Mo Honey, yes. So let's check out this color, guys. You know, sis like her highlighter. Ooh, look at this one. Nice. Let me take a quick swatch with my hand. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at the pigment just on my finger. Jesus Christ, this is going to be off the chisang. So this is our highlighter color on me. And again, I have the color Mo Honey. And this is a Fenty Beauty product. I do love their highlighters, and I do have actually quite a few. So I think I'm definitely vibing this color here. This is nice. I can't wait to use this in my regular regimen. But this is, I really like this. This is nice. Beautiful, beautiful. So guys, the next product I'm pulling out my bag here. Ooh. So I have another makeup product. Wow. I have the Brow Styler by Benefit Cosmetics, and they're known for their brow products, and I've tried quite a few of theirs actually. I may have tried this already. I'm not sure if I liked it or not. So they gave me the color Warm Brown, which is 3.75, and I'm gonna just pull it out the box to show you guys. But you're supposed to have one end with your wax pencil, and the other end is going to have your crayon, which is supposed to be waterproof to do your brows with. So let's take a look at it. And this is how it comes. So again, you have your one side, this side here. This is how this end looks that you use to put your product on. This is the brow powder right here. And the other side is going to be your crayon. And I have that moved up right here so you guys can see what it looks like. And let me just do a quick line next to my, oh, you can barely see this. Well, I guess if you work it in a bit. Okay, so I did a quick line. So it is buildable. It does come out a little light, so you may have to go over it a couple of times based on your complexion to get your desired brow definition. But it will show up. And then you have the powder on the other side here. And now that's a little bit more pigmented. I just went kind of over it. I probably went backwards over it. You're probably supposed to put the brow pencil, the brow powder on first and then the wax. Or you could do it however you want because it's your eyebrows. How about that? I don't think they tell you any particular instructions anyway. Yeah, it just says use the wax pencil for sculpting and shaping, and then use the crayon to go over it to make it waterproof. So I was right, I did it backwards. So I was supposed to put the brow powder on first and then the wax over top of it to make it waterproof. So that is how you use that product. Guys, our benefit product, the brow pencil here, has a value of $34. And it says this is a dual-ended styler to create all variety of brow looks. So from soft to fluffy to bold and defined. So based on how much definition you want, you kind of build upon it based on your preference. So this is $34 for our brow pencil here. So let's go on to our next product. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, a MAC product. I'm liking this bag so far. This is nice. So I got a MAC product and we have a lipstick. Whoop, whoop. I have the color E for Effortless is the color. And our MAC lipstick is valued at $22, guys. So this is how it looks outside of the packaging. And it says one swipe gives you the best of both worlds. Long-lasting moisture, and thank you argan oil for intense weightless color. Oh, look at this color. Oh, this is fierce. I like that. This is a nice red here. Yes. Let me do a quick swatch so I can show you guys. I'll go to this side. Oh, look at this color. Oh, look at that. That is nice. I am digging this red, and it's like a nice kind of dark brick red that I kind of like. I think that goes great on my complexion. I am really, really enjoying this bag. So that is our MAC lipstick, guys. And let's see what else is in my bag here. Okay, guys, I have another makeup product. Ooh, this is a good look. When have we ever seen one of my Glam Bag Plus show up with all makeup? This is just unheard of. They ain't give me any skincare this month. Wow. So my next product is a Galactic product. And what do I have here? I have a metallic shadow stick. Woohoo. So this is nice. And what color do I have? Does it say? Riches? Riches. And this has a $20 value, guys. It says this shimmery aqua eyeshadow to summer proof, meaning it won't smear, smudge, crease, whatever, while you're at the pool or beach just trying to survive the heat. Oh, so it sort of kind of goes with what I'm wearing now. Like my shirt, it's like a seafoamish metallic. Look at this. Oh, this is intense. Look at that color. Wow. Wow. That is nice. That is, if I knew this was in here, I'd have used this to do my makeup with today. Wow. That is beautiful. I mean, that is a summer color. That is a summer, is definitely popping summer color. And this was really soft and easy to use. I like that. I'm going to definitely have to put this thing to work. That is nice. Nice. So guys, this was a $20 value, if I am correct. Am I correct too? Yes, this was a $20 value for the Galactic Metallic eyeshadow. So that is cool. So guys, we're down to our last product of the bag. Let's see what we have. We have, oh, what is this? This is Eliman. Yeah, Eliman. I've never heard of this beauty. I've never heard of this one. This is the matte lipstick, and Miami is the color. Yes, Miami is the color. So let's get this out of here. This has an $18 value. So let's check her out. Let me get in here. And it says pro quality, ultra wearable, high pigmented, and easy to blend. There is so much to love about this liquid lipstick. So guys, this is how she comes outside of our packaging. Very nice, very nice. And it says that this is supposed to leave your lips feeling soft and moisturized for hours. So this is my color here, and I better go back to this hand here and we'll put a little bit on and see what it looks like. Ooh, look at this color. Very summerish. I like that. That's a nice sort of pinky nude for the summer. I like that. Really nice. And it has more of like a lip gloss kind of feel to it to me. So this is our Glam Bag Plus 5 full-size products and never seen before on this channel. All makeup in a Glam Plus bag. I am impressed. I am truly impressed. I don't know how you guys feel about everything I got, but let's do a quick recap. So we have the Element liquid lipstick. We have the MAC lipstick. Woohoo! We have the Galactic eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow. And we have the Benefits Cosmetics Brow Styler. And we have Fenty Beauty full size highlighter, Mo Honey. Impressive, guys. I am impressed. Everything I think swatched really nice. Swatched very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very pleased with this Glam Bag Plus all makeup. Wow. I just can't get over that. Like, not even a skincare product anywhere or a tool. It's just all makeup. Love, 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 love. This probably is my favorite Glam Bag Plus for the year. Guys, we got so many brands in this bag this month for my June 2020 Glam Bag Plus that we are all familiar with. We got Fenty, we got Benefit Cosmetics, we got MAC, Galactic. The only one that I don't know is the Element Beauty, but you know, that's the purpose of a subscription box. You get to learn new products that you're not familiar with. This is a A+. This is a winner Glam Bag Plus for me. Guys, let me know what you thought about this bag that I received this month. What was your favorite product out of here? If you get this subscription, how did you make out? Did you get all makeup too? Or did they give you a little bit of half and half like they normally do? I would love to hear from you guys and find out what you got in your Glam Bag Plus and what you thought about my bag. If you enjoyed today's content, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. If you enjoyed today's content, feel free to hit that like button. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't cost a thing. But guys, I'm just impressed with this bag. I really have nothing else left to say except for you guys to have an awesome and blessed day. And I will see you next time on where? This channel.